Alright, I received a student request. Gregory asked me to do chapter 9, classwork number 1. I think probably student thinks too hard. It's actually a very easy program. So I'm going to do it right now. So, so I'm going to create a new project. It's an empty project. I'm going to call this chapter 9 classwork. Okay, before I do that, I'm going to copy all this. It's okay? Alright, I'm going to call chapter 9 classwork underscore 1. Create. Alright, so right click it, add a new item. I'm just going to match the solution file's name. So chapter 9 classwork underscore 1. It's okay. Add. Alright, I'm just going to paste right here. And the question here is this. Alright, we doing this question right there. We doing this question and without a function. So I will ask you to have a function and name, and I believe I asked you to name this as let me see, calculate squared, calculate square root. That's okay, calculate square root. Okay, so we are going to, so we basically is hybrid. We still use the Visual Studio one, but I'm going to do the calculate height squared. But take a look this line right here. Calculate square is going to follow the square, the Visual Studio library, and it's going to return a value. So since it's return a value and the return a double, I'm going to say double because return. Calculate calcSqurt QRT. It's okay. And I'm going to take one number, num1. It's okay. All right. So after I do that, this is my prototype, and I'm going to copy Control C, and this is my function. Okay. So my function is just very easy. Return. Okay. SQRT and 1. As I told you, we just hybrid. Okay. We just still use the library one. All right. So now we are going to, instead of this line here, we are going to say this. CALC. I think mine is SQRT, num1. Okay? So, and that will be this one. That will be the solution. So you check it right now, build it. And start without debugging. I'm going to put 25. All right, it's 5. Okay, so since we already finished chapter 10, so I will make this one a little bit advanced right here. I'm going to get input. Okay, so I'm going to void get input. Okay, and this input will be double, and I'm going to call it num1. Okay, so once I doing that, and I'm going to copy paste Control C right here. I have to put in first, okay, because get input is the most important thing. Without input you cannot do anything. So right here I'm going to copy X right here, and right, yeah. All right, so and I am going to do this num1. All right. All right, so enter. So we get in here, then we just going to say this. Okay, get input. Okay, and num1. All right, get input num1 right now. Num2, calculate, and num1. All right, so I'm going to display. Void display. All right, and I'm going to display num double n1 double n2. Okay, and then I will copy this line here and Control Z, put right here. And once I put right here, I'll copy this line right here, Control X, right here. The thing is, this is called num1, and this is called num2. And the function call right here will be this. All right, so we're going to call this is display, and num1, num2. All right, so let's run it one more time. So build it. Start without debugging. All right, so let me put 49 and 7. All right, the main reason we want to modularize this because we want to make every single module just have less than 15 lines. Everybody can make a function less than 15 lines without making mistake. Another thing is it will be allowed you to make your program more logic. So I'm going to do this again here thing here. And so you will see this easily right now. I do loop, okay, and I'm going to say here and whenever is your to lower all right, so then we also want to give the user hint, say you're going to put yes or no, okay. So there's a do structure here. So this will allow your program to be able to repeat, and that's very important because if programming is not one-time deal. One-time deal is math. Okay, so we copy these 3 lines. All right, Control X, put right here right now. Now you will see your loop is very clear in your program. The logic is clear and simple, and that's basically the reason we want to do this way. So let's build it and start without debugging. All right, so I enter a number 81. All right, it's 9. So yes, I enter number 9. Okay, it's 3. Yes, I enter number 16. I'll be 4. No, I don't want to do it. Now we end up this program right now. So I hope you enjoy this. But for your chapter 9, you only need to do this one. That's it. Classwork 1. But since I have to do a video, I wanted to complete the whole set. Okay, I hope you like this program.